better be about it, got it heating up, I got my heat up at it, wanna hold that money, we gon' beat them at it, tryna spin on us, then we gon' see about it, we gon' shoot them up.
Dude, what's good, man? That's how I was. See, I ain't gotta do too much talk for it. Like, I can just look behind me and see. You feel me? Like, y'all can see. I ain't gotta do too much talk. Let me get the camera awesome. Tight. Alright, so I did just leave a bar shot, you feel me? Your boy did just get a little sauce, you feel me? We ain't gonna speak on that though. So look. Got 2 boxes right here. Scissors right here. You feel me? Y'all know what's finna go down. Y'all boy know what's finna do. So look, I need y'all to like, subscribe, follow my socials, everything that's on the screen, you feel me? Let me know if y'all mess with the new intro too. We did get a new intro. Editor went crazy on this, you feel me? It's something simple, something slight, but it's hard, you feel me? But we got 2 boxes we finna review for y'all boys. It's a company. We finna review for y'all boys. Let me know if y'all messing with the toy, you know what I'm saying? I can't put the address and none of that. But yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna open the box and then come back. But look though, we gonna show the website again like we did last time in the last video when we showed it on the PC. We're gonna do that again. So yeah, if y'all didn't go watch that to the last video, go watch that. So let's do it. I'm gonna give it back to y'all when we get down open the box. That was about one of my hardest, like, y'all know I be struggling to open boxes. This LV, this is probably my hardest like box to ever open. Trying to open a YouTube video, like when I be opening these boxes for these shoes, this right here is my hardest. Like I'm in here struggling, y'all. I just took at least like 15 minutes trying to open that box, man. Kids do not. I was in here struggling trying to open the box. Right there. In here struggling trying to open the box. I'm telling you. But without further ado, let's get into the review. We got some LVs. We got Timbs, y'all. LV Timbs. You feel me? These from my dog. I ain't gonna lie. Let me just. I didn't get it wrong. This from ShareSneakers. I'm gonna put everything in the box, everything in the description, so y'all know. But we still gonna be the website and stuff. You feel me? So, if you don't want to go do that, then watch the full video. Y'all should watch the full video anyway. Why are you not watching the full video? You feel me? Like, come on now. But we got these LV tails right here. You feel me? So without further ado, let's get into it. Bruh, I ain't gonna cap. Oh, I was finna say you pull it out, so like I don't know. Say camera though, like camera can't see it first, so I'm gonna have to open it right here. Just so y'all know, these are LVs. These not the regular Timbs. You feel me? Alright, let me check. I'll check. I got AAD, y'all. Hey, look though. Hey. These is tough. You can't count it. Gotta be some hard beat. trying to see what this is. I ain't ever seen this, so I'm finna take this off right now. This child. What's your plan? Nah, for real though, y'all boy gonna mess with my boy ShareSneakers for real. No cap. I'm gonna take that off later. Bro, what I first do, let's go to their website. Let's start filming. You feel me? Hey, y'all. Hey. I ain't gonna count. Y'all boy better go in and shop with them and pass the New Year. Y'all boy see this New Year sale right here still going, so y'all boy better go shop with them ASAP. Go shop with them boy ASAP. Bro. Bro. Let's get into it though. So they got the joints on him for, it look like 138. Hold on, they got it. Nike for $79 and they come quick, y'all. Mind you, they coming quick too. Okay, Dior 135. That's amazing for real. Balenci's 149. You feel me? Got the joints on here for $19. Oh God. Y'all boy better go shop with them, boy. I ain't even peed. I ain't no. $10, $9, right? $10. Feel me? That's slight. Oh my God, 159, 99, 79. Hey, I know y'all boy be seeing this. It's like a little reflective kind of, you feel me, on some in the dark type stuff. $400, and y'all don't want to know the real price of this. Matter of fact, but look at this price though compared to this. So if you finna, I know y'all not spending it though. I really jacket like be realistic. None of my viewers finna buy that jacket. Anybody watching this, nobody finna buy that. But if you was thinking about like that's hard, I want that, like I gotta get that one day. You can get that now for real. You working, get you like 2 paychecks put onto the side every time. You gotta get that right there. 2 paychecks, you feel me? If you working. So y'all boy make y'all boy go tap in with them. They got the Hair, they got clothes all on the website, you feel me? Bro. Make sure y'all boy go shop with them, bro. But look though, we finna end the video off right here. Make sure y'all boy like, subscribe. Go tap in with ShareSneakers. I'm finna put everything in the description, everything in the oh no, never mind. Yeah, description. I'm tripping. Description. Alright, comment. Y'all want some more videos like this? Y'all put y'all on. You feel me? Some websites and stuff like that. But yeah, everything will be in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. Watch the last video that I haven't already. I'm finna drop some more soon. So yeah.
All of my niggas, you mad or what? Ain't gonna be a long time, I had enough. Deep in that pussy, I passed the gut. She won't be mad, but I passed the slut. Yo, bitch, she gave me her ass a touch. Small injuries, never had a crutch. Hit from the back and I grab a butt.